Hey, good day everyone. You got Lila Sash Shaver here. Hope everyone's having a great day. It's a wonderful Friday, August 2nd. Start to our Canada long weekend up here in Canada. Hope everybody's got some big plans. We're getting ready to enjoy it if it's relaxing, hanging out with family or whatever. If you're in the States, sorry it's not a long weekend, but I hope you still get to enjoy your weekend time. We're going to do hopefully a quicker shave, but I doubt it'll probably be long. So just apologize for you up front on that. I did a poll online today and it was chosen that I'm going to use Highland Springs Havana Vieja. This is tobacco and tobacco leaf, and vanilla. It's a great smelling vegan base. It's made in Cranbrook, BC here. Chris and Mary Troniak, great people. It's an amazing scent. I don't have to open up and smell it for you guys because it is absolutely enveloping my bathroom right now here. It's all pre-done up in my Thirsty Badger shave bowl, which is in every video. And he's been absent for a long time, but here's my Coyote Cuts Mad Hatter and Lime 24 millimeter, 26 millimeter luxury Manchurian. Can't believe I forget that. Sorry, Richard. Amazing brush though, I love it. Amazing soap scent. Really looking forward to all that. Star of today's show and what we'll be probably talking about the most. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you'll see I did a mail call this week. Excuse me. And I have my Ali, I think is how you say it, straight razor. This is made here in Canada by Alejandro. He's in the province of Quebec. He hand forges all these, which is really cool. This is his first attempt at a full hollow. He calls it a near hollow. I'll just call it a full hollow to be splitting hairs. Quick specs, you've got 29 millimeters and 9/8 face width. You have an 8 millimeter spine width. You get 75 millimeter cutting edge, or 3 inches. It's Maple, I think it's Maple Burl stabilized scales, if I remember correctly. Stabilized with resin and G10 liners. I don't know if you can see them there. By far the biggest razor I have. By far the heaviest razor I have. So I did use this for one shave already yesterday. It's been less than 24 hours, so we'll see how this goes. As you can see, there's a little bit of growth here. Hopefully you can hear that. This showed up actually way after the shave, towards the end of just before bedtime when I wash my face. So it'll be interesting. So I'm just going to wet the face, lather up, and we'll be right back. All right, I'm back. All lathered up, we're ready to go. Just an amazing scent on this soap. Quite enjoy it. If this is what Havana smells like, I really gotta go. Chris, really enjoy this, man. Soap feels great on the skin. I have left this a little less hydrated than I normally do while doing that lately with a lot of my lathers. Just trying to see how I like that. So I'm gonna give this beast a go here. First time on camera with it. And second shave with it. I've stropped this about 70 times today, so it's probably sharp as hell. I won't be talking too much during the passes, but I'll talk to you after. Feels really nice. Even better than yesterday's shave. Probably just getting a little more used to the razor every time. Feels really nice. Really concentrating on a very light touch here. This is way larger and heavier than my other straight razors. Soap is doing a great job as I expected. Always get good performance with Highland Springs. It is taking me a little bit to get used to the size of this beast. And the proper blade angle. A little bit different than my Celebrated, just because the spine width is so much bigger. Excuse me. There you go, the first pass is done. Very uneventful. Didn't reopen this one. Didn't reopen that. Soap and razor both doing their job very, very well. Yeah. Smells freaking amazing. Talk about that soap all the time, or that brand. I just love it. It's an amazing vegan soap. The cheeks are a lot closer than the neck. It's to be expected for me. That's how it usually goes, though. So, like I said, hope everyone has a great day. Hope they're getting ready for a good weekend. We got some good plans. I'm working from home right now. My wife went in for some surgery this week, so I'm at home while she recovers. And of course it's busy. Yeah, my computer acts up. You know how it goes. To do upgrades to it, things aren't working, and application extensions aren't working. And it's always something, right? Excuse me, I need a drink of water soon. So that was with the grain. We're going to do against the grain now with this beast. Now it's got good grip on it, by the way. And you can see it's got jibs there and there. Really good grip. Very, very happy with this razor. Just gotta get used to the learning curve with this big beast. So as always, that's pretty much against the grain for me. It's a little bit different down here, but so I do it the straight. This way against the grain kind of comes this way and down on an angle. little bit of chatter there. Probably use a little moisture in the soap. Again, experimenting with my lathers right now. So the goal for today is just going for a nice DFS shave. Yep, definitely underhydrated the soap today. I was wondering how it would work. That's okay. We can fix that. So what happens when you try different things. Doing kind of a little cleanup there. Excuse me. All right. Pretty nice overall. A little bit of cleanup required in a couple spots. All right, through there is a little rough. It's always normal. I'm gonna leave that. That's not bad. Like I said, we're just going for DFS right there. Might clean up a little bit of here, but definitely a swipe right here. So I'm gonna do that all off camera, clean up, get ready for the post, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Quick warm water rinse, cool water rinse, toweled off. Really an uneventful shave, went very well. Soap was excellent. As you saw, I had a little dry. I was playing on my lather a little bit. Next time I'll add more moisture into that again. Get it back to where I usually have it. I think I did get one little neck right there when I was cleaning up. That's not bad. Everything else looks good. I did nick my ear. Notice that. But overall, pretty uneventful. Pretty nice, enjoyable shave. We're going to use the post, the matching Havana Vieja splash. Oops, too much in my hand there. Feels good. Nice scent strength on this. For a lot of good stuff for your skin, of course. And I'm pretty sure there's no alcohol in this one. Yep. And I'll set it up so you guys can kind of see the ingredients if you like. I'll post them. But overall, it was a good shave. I really enjoyed that. I'm digging this razor. It's a beauty. It's a beast. Does extremely, extremely well. And that's almost BBS, and I wasn't going for it. The cleanup, I had to do a swipe through here. That was it. I guess I swiped the opposite direction right there, just to clean up those little corners. But it performed very, very well. I'm extremely happy with that razor. If you haven't heard of them, look them up. Every razor I've seen of his has been excellent. Like I said, they're all hand forged. This one's 01 tool steel, but it does make them out of Damascus, old files from like World War II and that kind of stuff. It's pretty cool what he does. And it's nice to see something that's handmade still nowadays. So quick review. Highland Springs Havana Vieja vegan soap. Always a winner. Love this base. This is a premium base, only thing they offer anymore. Just saw me finish that up with the matching splash. It's a killer scent. If you like tobacco leaf and vanilla, it's great. I just love this. It's actually one of the top ones in my den. The bowl today, as always, there's the Badger ceramic shave bowl. Got to bring back out my Coyote Cuts, Luxury Manchurian, the Mad Hatter and Lime, custom. Just love this. Love, love, love this brush. And I gotta remember to use it more often. And of course, the star for me, the razor. LA. Hope I'm saying that right, Alejandro. I'm horrible with that. My apologies, everyone. Beautiful razor. Very, very happy to have this. Very proud to have this in my den and being his first full hollow. You'll be seeing it more on videos. So thank you very much for watching. Like I said, I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. I hope there's some good weather where you are. You're able to get out and enjoy it. Have some good time with friends and family and loved ones. Have a great weekend, everyone. Happy shaving. I'll see you next week. All right, all right.